sounds intimidating and more than a bit intriguing. Almost everyone within today's computing industry must have come across this behemoth sounding term. But what is it and why? Quantum computers are the next revolution in our computing capabilities. They dwell in an entirely different realm, a realm that houses uncertainty, parallelism, concerns, and more than anything, possibilities. It's called quantum mechanics. There's more than one reason for us to look forward to quantum computing. One of them, which most of us will find relevant, is the impending end to Moore's law, which implies that we have run into a physical limitation to our computing capabilities. Another is the possibility that a quantum computer can make present-day encryption systems redundant at best. That's the scary picture. Now let's look at the happy picture. Quantum computers offer exponential increase in computing power, decrease the time it takes us to tackle complex problems, offers better options for cybersecurity, and more. Quantum computers can be instrumental at factorizing large numbers, which makes them key to information security. They can work with multiple states simultaneously, making them a remarkable asset to main industries like medicine, materials, and counting. Moving forward, it's worth mentioning that these computers are not a replacement for the classical computers we use, but instead an augmentation to them for specific purposes where the problems are very complex. Think of the manner in which they can be used to be similar to how we use a GPU today, assigning it a specific task, like processing graphics. Allow me to accentuate this. A quantum computer is not just a fast computer, it's a different computer.